Well, this video is a little bit different because the purpose of it is to enter a challenge. Now, that challenge was actually created by the YouTuber ScoutCrafter. I will put a link to his video down below. You need to watch his videos. He does tool restoration, and he just kind of does an awesome job kind of telling a story as he does this restoration. It's really cool. So take a look at some of his videos. I think you're going to find them fascinating. But long story short, he created a challenge, and his challenge was to take a C-clamp and paint it in patriotic colors. Now that is awesome. However, I don't have any C-clamps that are made in the USA. Not that that's a problem, but I really didn't want to paint a C-clamp red, white, and blue and not really have it made here in the United States. I just didn't think I could justify that. And in the style of this channel, I decided to make a clamp, and that's pretty much what my channel's about. We make a lot of things, and it just seemed appropriate to make a clamp. Long story short, in talking to the wife about this, she said, why don't you make a clamp that looks like a star? Thus, why we're doing this video. So follow along. I'm going to kind of speed up the clips and make it kind of quick, short, and sweet, but I think you're really going to like the end results. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So for this build, we're going to use this piece of metal that I actually found in a dumpster. It's about 3/16 inch thick steel. It is galvanized. Remember, when you're working with galvanized metal and you're burning and cutting, don't breathe it. Make sure you do it in a well-ventilated area because it can make you sick. That being said, it's what we built our clamp out of, and I'm just going to kind of roll some videos so you can kind of just follow along. And then I think at the end you're going to see a clamp that is truly unique and very patriotic. Now, I must admit, I really like the way this clamp turned out. It works really easy, and the jaws open and close. They open and close tight. See, it's a functional C-clamp. I guess we would probably call this a star clamp. And I just like the way it looks. It's very patriotic. I think I'll probably hang this in my garage somewhere, and I'm pretty proud of it. And I want to thank ScoutCrafter for coming up with the idea of a patriotic C-clamp. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and you might find something you yourself might want to build.